Hello, I'm Brent with venompads.com. Going over today the Venom surface scratch repair system that we carry. We carry a system with venompads.com that offers different varieties to resurface your countertops and fix scratches. And what's good about this system that I worked on developing probably well over 10 years in development is that this system works with the guys in your shop actually fabricating the countertops, also to the guys on the install crews, and also the guys that are into the repair finishing work for fixing countertops. So I'm going to go down each product one at a time, starting with the first one. The first one I call our 3-inch Venom Turbos. And they come in two types of resin, the Black Mamba and the hybrid, and all the grits from 50 grit to gloss. Also, I have them in quick change for guys that don't want to use Velcro. I have a quick change system that you can quick change either way what's most comfortable. So this is your standard 3-inch turbo repair system that I first start with explaining with the countertops. But over the years, before I got to this, it just came with starting with the 3-step pads. So to start out, here's what everyone has started with. They've started with my 3-inch Venom pad system, either with the hybrid resin, the Black Mamba resin, which is more for the dark quartz, and then also ceramic resin, which is this one. Now on the 4-inch pads, I made all the Velcro system the same color system. So you can mix the ceramics with the Black Mambas and the hybrids. Plus I made the mold, each different mold. So in case the brand, if the name wore off or the grits, you can tell by the mold shape what kind of pad you're using. Obviously with the black, since it's black, I have the same mold as the hybrids. But the ceramic, I changed it to this style. So the thing with these three is the ceramic is more for like the surface, where the hybrids do surface and edges, and then the Black Mamba does surface and edges. But that being said though, I still have many people with the ceramic using surface and edges. So I have that in 4 inches. I also have it in 5 inches in the Black Mamba, the hybrid, and the ceramic. So all the shops now, or the fabricators buying from me, are not only buying the 4-inch each one of the 3 steps, they're also buying the 5-inch of each one. And what they're finding out is they're fixing also the scratches in the countertops also with these. And like I said, these were an add-on where if you really want to fine-tune it, look, I got it in all the grits, and the turbos seem to have been the fashion of the industry for many years with that. Now, here's the last thing. I carry Fat Boy sponge pads. They're called Venom Fat Boy sponge pads. And these are also used in accord with all those other pads for fixing scratches and resurfacing countertops. You're more than welcome to go on YouTube. You can see videos, demonstration, plus on different social media pages, guys show how to use my products. Take a look. Thank you.